Hey there everyone, how's it going? Shari Mustafiz here with yet another speed art video. It's been a minute. I missed last week's upload, unfortunately, and I'm making it up. And that's due in part because I've been working on other videos for my other channels. If you don't know already, I have a behind the scenes channel and a film channel that I'm working on, and I've done another breakdown with another of my collaborations. You can find a link to that video in the description below. But here's a belated stream time-lapse video that I totally forgot to upload last week. This was from last week's Friday night art stream, and you guys on Instagram chose for me to do basically another art drawing kind of thing. So at first I was challenged by one of you guys in the chat to draw Bakugo from My Hero Academia versus Inosuke from Demon Slayer. And since it was a sketch and I wasn't really getting enough traction, I didn't really mind doing the drawing, but I was a little rusty, as you can see, so I instead just opted to draw Inosuke from Demon Slayer. Nonetheless, these are two of my favorite characters, and I ended up drawing and just doing a paint sketch of him just goofing around in Clip Studio Paint, one of my bread and butter favorite programs to use right now for art. And I'm using my Huion Canvas 16. Stick around for that review. That'll be coming down the line once I find time to sit down and record my thoughts and process about the product. Nonetheless, after I actually finished the Inosuke live action Inosuke drawing, instead of going for opting for a anime aesthetic, I was trying to go for my realistic approach, as I usually do with my art. I know last week I said I was going to do a part 2 to the Sailor Moon and Jinjarin drawing, but I kind of put that on the back burner. I'll probably do an upload later, and I'm still kind of in the process of whether if I should separate my Instagrams or just find a different place to put my art now that I'm doing more visual effects. Nonetheless, the second drawing I wanted to go with was John Marston from the Red Dead Redemption series. It's one of my favorite games right now, and I'm playing a ton of it right now, emulating it through my new beastie computer, which I'll be doing another review. I promise to do a review video about that soon. Just haven't had the time to do any of that. But I'm going to let the rest of the time-lapse play out, and I highly recommend sticking around. And what I mean by that is hitting that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell if you haven't done so already, leave a comment below, and join me on Twitch. I'm most likely going to be streaming tonight, so if you don't want to miss out on my stream schedule, I highly recommend checking out my platforms, which is Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I usually post my links, and of course you can just follow me directly on Twitch if you have a Twitch profile. I'm not too far away from hitting an affiliate status, and not only do I do art and art live, I also play games with my buddies and stuff like that, and we have a really fun time. Speaking about games, I highly recommend checking out my gaming channel, which is another link you can find in the links in the description below. Any link that I do mention at all to begin with are all in the description box below. Nonetheless, I'm going to leave it off here. And it really means a lot that if each one of you guys tune into any of my platforms, interact with me, because I'm trying really hard to do something different with my life, to be honest. It's been a heck of a year for all of us, and for me, it's been an interesting art journey, working in different kind of mediums and working in totally different things to begin with. I didn't think I was going to be collaborating with such on this calibration or on this caliber of interaction with other YouTubers. I mean, it does start that way to begin with, after all. Nonetheless, I keep saying that, but I hope you guys stick around. I have a lot more videos planned. Maybe I'll be doing a 3D printer review video of my Ana 8 that I built like 3 years back, and I've been upgrading since then. And, well, I'm just going to ramble on if I don't stop. So, this is Shari Mustafi signing out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, thanks for tuning in. It means a lot that you did. Highly recommend following me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also my Twitch channel, so you guys don't miss out on updates of what I'm doing with my life. And like I said, this is my whatever channel. And honestly, thank you for tuning in. Leave a comment below if you like. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.